Hi, I'm Mr. Garland. I'm Head of Department for ICT and Computer Science, and we offer both of those two different subjects at GCSE. So let's take a look at one of those two, which is computer science. Now, for computer science, we have two different units of work that we complete. And the first of those is a more theoretical unit. And that covers a range of different topics that look at how modern computers work, both in terms of local, individual devices, but also the wider connected world as well. So some of those topics we'll cover: data representation and binary, looking at how computers store and process information, computer hardware and software, networks and the internet, looking at how all that works, algorithms and binary logic, but also emerging trends in computing. And that allows us to keep up to date with brand new technologies, so it's always an up-to-date modern qualification. Now, Unit 2 is a more practical side to the GCSE, and that's going to allow you to develop your programming skills and understanding. And that will lead you to being able to plan, analyze, and develop your own programs using a language called Python. So in this particular unit, we cover topics such as creating and understanding algorithms that builds on what you learn in Unit 1. Decompose and analyzing problems is breaking it up into smaller parts and trying to solve a problem in a slightly more straightforward and logical way. Refining and evaluating programs is looking at how you can look at existing programs and improve them. And then, of course, you're developing your own programs in Python. And one of the big questions we often get asked is, what's the difference between computer science and IT? And that's a good question. So let's have a look at just how computer science is different. So we offer both, like I said earlier. But if you want to take computer science, you're going to look at a more technical set of computing topics. It's going to teach you how to program in Python. It's going to let you discover and explore what goes on inside a computer system, the stuff that you can't see inside a computer system. And this course is great for people who are good problem solvers, people who can see a larger problem, break it down, and then understand it in a slightly more logical way. So if that sounds something that you think you might be interested in, and you've read through the frequently asked questions and you've looked at the other information and you've still got some questions, then of course just drop us an email and we'll help you out however we can. I'll look forward to hopefully seeing you in computer science next year.